Did you ever think what happens when you get out of bed in the morning and flip on the light switch? Coal keeps the lights on. We're standing in the middle of a 60-acre fly ash landfill, which is handling the byproducts of the coal that was burned to bring electricity to your house. What's interesting about fly ash is that it's not your typical compactable material like clay. They don't compact like dirt compacts. So when the material is brought into the landfill in the trucks, and the trucks dump it behind me, as you can see, it's very wet. The fly ash likes to hold on to the water, so there's a couple of day process where they will use a disc and they'll use the dozer to turn the fly ash over to expose it to the wind and the sunlight. After a couple days, it's dry enough where they can compact it with a roller and do the same process over and over again. And eventually they will raise this landfill where we are standing probably another 60 or 80 feet. This job site is one of several job sites where we're currently using Bell articulated trucks being rented or leased to our customers. The customers have been very satisfied with the production, with the quality, and with the comfort and the ride of the trucks. So keeping track of the total amount of material hauled each day and each week can be a daunting task. The Bell trucks feature a program called Fleetmatics. So from the comfort of their office, the companies that are renting these Bell trucks can track the amount of material that the trucks haul each day, the amount of fuel that the trucks are using. They can even count the amount of times that the bed is raised on each truck. So that helps in production. The trucks can also alert our service department if an air filter needs to be changed or if the oil needs to be changed. So it really just makes a much smoother operation. It's exciting that we're using our equipment to help in this process in landfilling fly ash, because fly ash is a material that you would not want to get into the rivers and streams. So as they do a safe landfill like this, it's nice to see that our trucks are helping to contribute to this. And one day, who knows what will be on top of this landfill? Might be a golf course, might be an industrial park, kind of hard to say.